Okay, we're coming from Malaga Airport. You're on the AP7 and you've basically come off. Coming off, there are
After 2 kilometers, take the exit 153A7 towards Estepona.
Okay, so there are 3 exits for Estepona: 157, 155 and 153. Listen to the instructions. We've just passed 157. We are just passing 155. You don't want either of these two, because one is the first part of Estepona, the second is the middle of Estepona, and the third, which is 153, you want to come off the next exit after this one. This one is 155. Do not take it. It brings you into the middle of Estepona.
After 800 meters, take the exit 153A7 towards Estepona, then cross the roundabout and take the 4th exit towards Algeciras.
Okay, right, there you see it. Algeciras, Cadiz on the ordinary road. It will be the A7.
Take the A53, then cross the roundabout and take the 4th exit.
So, as you're coming up here, it's the A7 Algeciras Cadiz.
After 500 meters, cross the roundabout and take the 4th exit, A7, towards Algeciras.
A7. Keep to the left side of this dual carriageway, because you need to hog the middle of the roundabout to make the 4th exit. You'll see why.
Cross the roundabout and take the 4th exit.
So, you're passing a garage on your right, and Casares, do not take that. And the 4th exit is now coming up.
Take
Indicate
the exit A7 or Tibia del Mediterraneo.
Stay in the outside lane of the A7 Algeciras Cadiz. And then, when you can, go down a little bit if you have traffic on your inside, and then indicate over to the inside lane. Otherwise you'll have traffic wanting to rush past you. Keep in mind your speed limit is 80 kilometers per hour. So keep to the speed limit, because there may be a camera down here. Sorry, the sun is a little bit in.
After 800 meters, cross the roundabout and take the 2nd exit, A7, N340 or Tibia del Mediterraneo.
This is video number 1 and a bit. So there'll be 2 videos. This will be
Cross
video
the roundabout
basically
and take the 2nd exit,
1.5 and 2.
A7N340 or Tibia del Mediterraneo.
Okay. We basically go straight across. A7 Algeciras Cadiz, Estepona. This is a dual carriageway. This is the A7, otherwise known as the N340 on some maps. N340. Otherwise, the new name and number is the A7. Okay, now coming along here,
After
look
800
out.
meters, cross the roundabout and take the second exit A7 N340 or Via del Mediterraneo.
Look out for, as we're coming up and approaching a roundabout, you have got a Burger King sign on the right hand side protruding up into the sky. You have got also here, you have Aldi, you have Burger King, you have Mercadona. This is what I call the Aldi, Burger King, Mercadona roundabout. From here, it's another approximately 3 or 4 minutes.
Cross the roundabout and take the second exit A7 N340 or Via del Mediterraneo.
Okay. Keep going straight. But to our right, if you wanted to, there's a couple of shops.
After 500 meters, cross the roundabout and take the second exit, then turn right.
Okay, we're coming up to a roundabout with some metallic objects, rusty looking things in the middle of the roundabout. This was what I call the Estepona Golf
Cross
roundabout.
the roundabout and take the second exit A7 N340 or Via del Mediterraneo, then turn right.
Okay, if you wanted to go to Estepona Golf, you'd turn right here, or turn left coming the other way. I must say that the sat nav that you're listening to will take you the wrong way, so do not.
After 1.2 kilometers, turn right, Calle del Green.
Do not turn right. You must go to the next roundabout, which has Abbeygate Insurance on the roundabout, which is a yellow building, and it says Abbeygate Insurance.
After 800 meters, turn right, then turn left.
No. Do not listen to that. If it's on your sat nav as well, that is wrong. There will be a barrier down with no admittance. You must go to the next roundabout, which is coming up in about 30 seconds. So, you will also see just on the right, perched up a little bit, is, and it will say turn right here, but do not turn right.
Turn right, Calle del Green, then turn left.
There you see up there, supermarket in yellow with a terracotta background. So, coming up is a roundabout with Abbeygate Insurance. We do a right now.
Go right on the roundabout and take the first exit, Avenida Costa Galera.
That is
You
correct.
will arrive at your destination at 1809.
There you see Abbeygate Insurance, yellow building. We are turning right. And you go up this. You do not want the first turn. That is wrong. That will take you to that little supermarket. We carry on here with the shrubbery. It's a dual carriageway. Coming up to the brow of the hill where there is another turn right. You do not want that. There's a security hut just
After
on the
90
right.
meters, go right on the roundabout and take the first exit, Calle Blastep, then you have reached your destination.
Okay, so just drive very slowly. We are coming up to a right-hand
Go right on the roundabout
turn.
and take the first exit, then you have reached your destination.
Okay, I've stopped here for a second. We are turning right. This is the third turn right, the brow, just over the brow of the hill. There's no roundabout here, it's just a right-hand turn. On the map it may show like a roundabout. And so
You have reached your destination, Calle Blaste.
Yeah, so we're just going to do a right turn, pull over onto the left, which is the wrong side of the road. And there's a crossing here. And the entrance is right here on the crossing. So you do not need to do anything else. We have arrived. Okay? And for unloading your luggage, it may be a lot easier to do it on the flat. However, we are actually now going to just reverse back a little bit to the road. So it's like we didn't turn in here. If you want to get to the garage, instead of turning right, we just go down a little bit and then we turn right into the garage. You will have an electronic key which will allow you into the garage, which you will also use to come out of the garage. And when you're pointing the key with a key ring behind you and towards your body, it's the one on the right, like on a keyboard. Okay, in we go to the garage. And the parking is parking bay number 7, which is clearly marked. That will be your reserved and private parking space. Thank you for watching. Please do not park in any other bay. Thank you, and I wish you a happy holiday.